Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video, and if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always want to make sure to tell you guys about it because I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive and I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell and you'll be all set. Also in that area there is a thumbs up. This is for everybody. It really helps us on the YouTube platform. So if you have a second and you've been enjoying my content, when you come in to watch my videos, I try to give you guys a quick reminder at the beginning to do that thumbs up. The number will go up and it will turn blue, and that tells YouTube to put our videos in front of other people that enjoy this type of content. They just haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet. So that is how you're helping me grow this YouTube channel on this platform. So thank you so much for doing that. It's just that thumbs up underneath. All right. I got, as you can see in the thumbnail, an order that I did on It Cosmetics, and it has to be a really fantastic deal for me to buy anything outside of getting the boxes or points and things like that. So It Cosmetics for me is a brand that I really enjoy, and I got very lucky. I found out about them very early on. I think when the person who's the CEO, who I don't think is involved anymore, I think now she's taken either she's just a person that, you know, helps out, but she's not like totally involved anymore. And she introduced her product on QVC, I think it was, and it was her concealer that comes in a tube. Once you buy one of those, you will be hooked and you will be set for life with that one tube. That's how long it takes to go through it. It is a very thick concealer. You literally need a pin drop. You put it in between the two fingers and you put it, you could wear it even as a full foundation if you wanted to. It blew me away, and from that then on in, I was hooked on their product line. So when they came out with new products, I always tried to watch it when they were involved with QVC, because QVC gave her start. She always went over and beyond. All my brushes that are $48 everywhere else were always in the kits and the bundles. I always bought what they call the Today Special, and then on top of it, I would go on the auto delivery. So I am like stacked to the nines with It Cosmetics. So it takes something, either something new or something that's really innovative for me to go and buy something just full on out there. I make sure that during this time of year, and it's a suggestion that I'm going to pass on to you guys, I do two things. One is I use a program that's called Ebates. Now it's called Rakuten, but when I joined it, it was called Ebates. Rakuten, and I'm going to leave the link down below, it doesn't cost anything to join it. Like I said, I'll leave that link down below. What it does is you simply hit that link and it brings you into Rakuten. Rakuten, then you sign up for it, and then after that, every time before you go into a website, you just go into Rakuten first, and then you choose what it could be. Target, which is what I do, ULTA I do, Sephora I do, It Cosmetics was on there. So I always go in there first to see if they're part of the Rakuten Ebates program. Why that's important is they give a percentage back in cash. So what happens is I went on It Cosmetics. I do two things. One is the Ebates. So let me start there. So I then go on Ebates and I put in It Cosmetics. It shows up their website. You're going directly into their website. All you're doing is going to Rakuten first, hitting the store you want to go to. Once you get there, you're back into their website. And then at the end, you'll get an email from Rakuten saying, this is the amount of cash back you just earned for placing the order through them. But you're placing the order through the company that you're comfortable with. All Rakuten is doing is getting like almost a commission that they're passing on to us. And then after 3 months, you'll end up getting a check from them. And you don't realize, even if it's like even e.l.f. Cosmetics, I do from there. Everything that I do, I go there first. So even if it's 20 cents or 50 cents, after 3 months, if you purchase like I do, or even not as I do, you'll end up with some money for doing nothing except shopping. So to me, it's really, really great. So if you don't know about it, please press my link down below, and then you can read about it and learn more about it. If you have any questions, you can ask me also. But I've been using it for years, and I never mention it. I think I mentioned it when I first started the channel, but I have so many new people, and you like all the deals that I give to you. I want to make sure that I don't miss out telling you about Ebates, and I'm going to try to start telling it to you guys more because it's free money and it's for doing the same thing that we're always doing. The reason I'm telling you this is Ebates sent me down, Rakuten, excuse me, I'm so used to it being Ebates. Rakuten sent me down an email that there was a special going on IT Cosmetics that was giving 8% back or 10% back. It was a really high number. But I still really don't need anything. At the beginning, my checks were really, really big with Ebates because I wasn't getting the boxes. Once you start getting the boxes, you don't buy as much retail. So my checks are a lot smaller, but they're still free money. So I also, during this time of year, if there's a brand that I like, I will sign up for their emails so that I can get any specials that are going to be coming down. So that's what I do also during this you know, what I call the fourth quarter, the Christmas season. So I got an email from Rakuten that there was a deal that was going on IT Cosmetics, plus they were making the percentage higher because the percentage change all the time. So I said, okay. So I went into IT Cosmetics, and IT Cosmetics was running a deal for 50% off their new Your Skin But Better setting spray. And this is something that I haven't tried of theirs. So I figured for 50% off, this is the time to try it. So this is normally $28, and I paid $14 for this. And I got free samples, which I'm going to show you. Plus they had, which to me, I thought it was going to be a lot larger. They said they were giving away a free primer, you know, with it. And I was so excited about the 50% off and the 8 or 10% with Ebates. I didn't really, everything else was going to be a bonus anyways, but I really thought this would be a lot larger. But IT Cosmetics, their products are so concentrated that you will be able to get a lot of uses out of it. So I'm excited because I don't think I've tried their primer yet either. So this was a definite win-win for me. And this is normally $28, plus everything was free shipping. So really, really excited. So I got all the stuff I'm going to be telling you guys about for $14, plus I'm going to get 8 or 10% in 3 months back on this $14 that I spent. So it's just little bits here and there, but it all adds up at the end of the day. So I'm going to share everything with you. The box that came was a plain box on the outside, but when you opened it up, it had this beautiful, inside it says, "You are beautiful, you are it, XOXO Jamie." That's the girl who started all of IT Cosmetics. IT Cosmetics works with plastic surgeons and things like that. It's a really innovative product line. Came beautifully packaged in pink bubble wrap. And then on top of it, it came all wrapped gorgeous in this tissue paper with their name all over it and a little silver sticker. It really felt like you were getting a gift. It was really, really pretty and nice and just nice. And all that was in there was, you know, the few samples in this. So it was just really, really well done. All right, so let me read you some information about the products because I used this now this morning when I emptied it out because I take my pictures first and I make sure that everything that is in the box is what I paid for so that nothing is damaged, everything is good. And if there's any wrapping, which there wasn't any, I remove and that's it. So so I tried this first thing after I finished my makeup. I put this on because this came late in the day yesterday and I'm filming this later in the day today, but I had this out, so I did my makeup first thing this morning. So this one says this was a limited time only. It was 50% off, and this ran for, I'm pretty sure, like a week or two. And now they have something else that they're running. So that's why I said, check out, if you love this brand, definitely always check on QVC because the deals are fantastic there. But if you sign up for their emails on IT Cosmetics, even if they're running a deal on QVC, they will share that with you so you will know what's going on. So this one says, enjoy 50% off your purchase of a full-size Your Skin But Better setting spray and receive a free deluxe sample of Your Skin But Better primer. and they're saying it was going to be a 5 ml. And for some reason, I just thought it was going to be bigger, but that's what that is. And then it says they're also giving complimentary free shipping. Usually it's $25 or $5.95. And then they also had some other deals running on some other stuff for 30% off during that time. But when they're giving this deal, you can't add a deal on top of a deal. Plus at checkout, I was able to add 3 samples, which I will show you as well. So the most important thing that I wanted to share with you guys today was this product, because like I said, IT Cosmetics, everything that I have tried, I have really, really enjoyed. I don't think there's any product that I've tried that I've been disappointed. This one is a 3.4 ounce. It's normally $28. I got it for $14. It says it's your skin but better setting spray, is your makeup extender spray, and a soothing hydration mist in one game-changing product. They're saying it is a multitasking must-have, which provides up to 16-hour wear, which to me is very similar to my all-nighter from Urban Decay. So that's why I really wanted to test this. And then it says your makeup will look fresh all day while helping control any oil and shine, which is what I get. Plus, unlike typical setting sprays, they can leave your skin feeling dry or tight. This weightless mist works to instantly soothe, hydrate, and revitalize your skin. And I'll show you the mist in a second. And it went on beautifully. There were no droplets. I didn't have to do anything afterwards. I simply did the spray and I went on my way. The secret to this setting spray is the power is a blend of long-wearing polymers that provide strong yet flexible all-day hold and micro-sized mattifying powders that's transparently coat your skin to absorb excess oil and prevent your makeup from melting. It's suitable for all skin types. It's infused with skin-loving hyaluronic acid, coconut water, and aloe vera extract. Your Skin But Better setting spray can also be used to replenish your skin throughout the day. Finally, a makeup setting spray that also cares for your skin. The other setting spray that I use, that's Urban Decay, and I use a lot of different setting sprays because I love setting sprays. There's a lot that you can't use like as a refresher. This one they're saying you can. The Urban Decay, I don't. And then this one, it says, IT Cosmetics partners with plastic surgeons, I told you, and dermatologists to develop skin-loving solutions and all of that. Lightweight, hydrating, I told you all that. Let me just see what I printed out so that there was information that I wanted to share with you. Yeah, that's it. So, right, okay. The full size of this, I went to check, so in case I loved it, is $39 for 1 ounce. And they're saying it's supposed to be a magnet for your makeup. So I haven't tried this yet. I should have checked further in the box to remember that this was in there. But when I did my makeup this morning, this isn't the primer that I used. But with that said, my makeup has stayed beautiful all day so far. And I love the scent of coconut water. It's not overpowering. What I love about this also is it has this over the top of it, and it has another one over the spray, which is a double, safety to me. And then this is how nicely this, I'm going to do 1 spritz so I don't waste all this. Do you see? It's such a fine, fine mist that my hand is already completely dry. It's refreshing, hydrating. It dries down quickly. You don't have to wait. A lot of times I'll put on a setting spray and I'll take out a fan just to get it in, or I'll take a beauty blender to push, whatever moisture. I didn't have that with this at all, and I was really, really impressed with it. The other item, like I said, I got was the primer. They gave me a little sample here of the cleanser, which I use, and this also, check for the sales on IT Cosmetics and definitely use your Ebates. But if not, I got one in a kit from Ipsy, and I still have a backup one from IT Cosmetics directly, as well as I got one off Ipsy, which I got a fantastic price. They also gave me a card on what they're calling their lip bullet, which is in Pillow Talk, and these 3 are 3 completely different shades. And with these cards, what I do is I use a lip brush inside them, and I usually end up using them. So really, these are fantastic also to travel with. And then the last thing they put in here is Your Confidence Must-Haves, and it's the 3 products which I recommend highly also. It's their confidence in an eye cream, their confidence in a cream, and their confidence in a cleanser. This whole line is really fantastic, and these are the 3 products that are inside here. And what's nice about this card is it gives you all the information all the way through and in the back as well. So they're just saying this is their anti-aging skin-loving treatments, and it's called Confidence, and it's the cleanser, the eye cream, as well as the regular face cream. Like I said, every time they came out with a product, I used it and I always ended up replenishing. Every product to me has shown me results. And I find also with IT Cosmetics, their products, because they also have skincare inside, it's not like just regular foundation or a regular CC cream. Your skin actually does get better the more that you use it. So when I was like solely, you know, an IT Cosmetic girl for many, many years and didn't have all the access to all these other brands, this was the brand that I really fell for and really, really enjoyed. So I think this is a great deal. Like I said, I always love to take the opportunity to share you how I save money and how the deals come my way. This is exactly how. So as always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here, so thank you. But always, during this time, it is so important that everybody continues to stay safe and stay well, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.